Hey guys, what's up? Merry Christmas. I have had a great start to my day. Lots of great gifts from the family and from my wife, and my daughter got to open her Santa stuff, and it's just been a wonderful, wonderful day. And I hope your day is going great as well. Remember the reason for the season, and just enjoy the time that you have with your family. So I'm going to go ahead and get this completely out of the way so you can get back to your family, but I wanted to announce the winner of the 100% shopping spree for my plans through my website. And the winner is Dave Rowe. That entry came from YouTube. What I did was take all of the entries from Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, and I picked one person through a randomized selection, and Dave Rowe was the winner of that particular drawing. So, Dave, congratulations. You are free to have a 100% shopping spree of my plans and whatever else that you want. But just remember, the coupon that I'm going to give you only applies to the plans. But in any case, go ahead and email me. Email is rhwoodshop@gmail.com, and I will forward you the coupon code that you can use. So thank you very much for entering, and thanks everyone for entering. And if you did not win, don't forget that I have a 50% off coupon code that's active until the end of December 26th. So if you were waiting to see if you were going to win to download anything, if you did not win, go ahead and utilize that discount code, which I'll put in the description, and you can get your plans at a 50% markdown. So thank you very much to everyone that has supported the channel, and my resolution for this year is to get you more videos for this year. I've been kind of lax because I've been trying to get this business off the ground, and it's getting there, so I don't want to ignore you guys any longer. So thank you again. I can't thank you enough, and have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I will see you on the flip side, guys. Boom!